That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Nice chopper remote oil filter. Okay, no, this particular one we do a frame mount, engine mount. This one is a frame mount, so you get a beautiful chrome filter. This particularly for a shovel or a chop. Okay, as you can see, clamps around the frame, obviously different diameters. Your oil pipes go on here, as you can see, custom chrome, very well made, good chroming. Standard Harley filters fit, black chrome, whatever you want to use, but basically comes complete. You got your oil line kit, your fittings, and you can see your clamps, etc. in there, zip ties, and basically unscrew your filter when it's full. You know, well, not when it's full, when you want to change the oil and put a new one on. But this allows you to mount it on the front tube, rear tube, wherever you like, you know, on your frame. Well, on top pretty well anything. This is the normal 3/8 oil line hose, okay? But as you can see here, or perhaps not, here we do other oil coolers, and we've got the fancy line, including the fancy clamps. Okay, we do the fully synthetic 2050. We've got your Jag thermostatically controlled filters, or we've got your normal. We also obviously do all your Ford, your offset kits, your new starter motors, your heavy duty ones, brake upgrades, masses of grips, etc. You know, all your lubricants, ultrasonic cleaning tanks, brakes, manuals, pretty well everything you need for your bike. Okay, so if you need a one-stop shop, we've got motors, oil pumps upgraded, twin cam upgraded, Evo, bottom ends, S&S, you know, pretty well, you name it, you'll find it. Okay, so if you're interested in any parts for your choppers, your Harleys, or your jack bikes as well, as you can see, we do keep a massive stock. You know, more engines, gearboxes, we've got offsets, right side drive, we've got left side drive, but barrels, you know, piston upgrades, tanks, you know, you pretty well name it, and I'm pretty sure you'll find we got it. We've got air suspension, belts, carburetors. You know, we have got full workshop facilities as well. S&S Super E there. So, bit of a mess, but if you want it, we'll have it. So, if you're interested in any parts for your bike, give us a bell. 01773835666. It is a mess at the moment. We just got back from Christmas, but as you can see, masses of bags, masses of jackets. Here's all your stuff to do with your handlebars, you know, your clocks, your fag lighters, all your different footrests. Okay, and obviously more clothing, Simpson helmets, frames. This is a complete Iron Horse frame. Got some of the kits, bags, more bags. But we're pretty well your one-stop shop. Here's all your footrests, your seats, more jackets, women's, blokes, thousands of rear lights, etc. But if you're interested in any bikes, parts for your bike, I should say, give us a call. 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.